New information tonight on a developing outbreak of whooping cough in Missoula. Health officials saying now that this could be the beginning of a widespread problem. There's 6 confirmed cases of the virus now reported at Missoula's Sentinel High School. So far, there's vaccinated and non-vaccinated cases. The sickness is easily spread from person to person. Health officials are urging people to get a pertussis booster shot, something that's even available to adults.
We have an outbreak developing. We currently have 6 lab confirmed cases. We are at about 300 close contacts. We also have tests pending usually every day.
Whooping cough symptoms include that runny nose and a sneezing, an occasional cough. Sometimes you're not really sure if those they kind of are cold-like, but if you think that you have something, check with health officials.